Tomorrow night, we're strutting into that gala with enough espresso, chocolate, and swagger to make the chandelier blush. Now we're ready, Willifrida. Ah! First rule of fancy dessert survival. Mise en place. You ain't organized, you're just making expensive pudding. I grew up in Chicago's Maxwell Morsel District, sugar. Jazz on every corner, steam rising out of subway grates. Coffee so strong it can restart your heartbeat. And everybody there knew one thing. Rush gelatin, rush heartbreak. My cousin Frida stayed in the quiet fairy neighborhoods way out yonder. Me? Honey, I spent my 20s dodging trolley traffic while carrying flaming cherries in 6-inch heels. Character building, I tell ya. Okay, wow! New vest means new speed. Great. The shiny one got shiny. Uh-oh. Compass says, interesting! The upgraded vest appears to be cutting through some of the interference. Back in Maxwell Morsel, bakery owners yelled louder than the jazz bands. If somebody wasn't arguing about cheesecake, business was smooth. Easy now, sugar. Low and slow. It's the same way you talk your way out of trouble after midnight. Allegedly. Hold up! Oh, there you are. Oh, look at that. Smoother than a saxophone drifting through Maxwell Street at 2 a.m. That custard's got better curves than half the people at tomorrow's gala. What? Coffee liquor's just espresso wearing evening clothes. Whoa! Whoa! Hold on! That face means one of two things. Either you finally found the signal, or you just heard a voice that could ruin your judgment. It's warm, familiar, subtle. That is not helping your case. Gentle now, sugar. Bavarian cream's delicate. Kinda like my emotions during clearance sales. Now that's a dessert. Back home, a shiny mold like this could get you invited to 3 weddings and a mayoral fundraiser. No, seriously, it's softer than before. Sugar, you are describing this signal like it just bought you dinner. I'm trying to focus, and I'm trying not to watch you emotionally flirt with invisible magic. I think it wants me to follow it. Every classy dame needs a strong foundation underneath all that glamour. Confidence, chickadees. Press it like you mean it. Now we let this beauty chill overnight. A gala dessert ought to enter the room colder than an ex with theater tickets. I don't like this conversation. I do. It's got tension. subtext levels are becoming measurable. Oh, shut the front door, all of ya. I can hear it now. Barely. Ooh. But it's there. See? Look. Woo! Mamma mia! Tiny little chocolate troublemakers. That right there, chickadees, is Maxwell morsel magic.